Hi everybody, welcome back to POS Lifeline. This video is specific for one of our friends on the West Coast. This video is going to show us how to configure the email functionality of a third-party program that will enable you to email your reports to you. If you have not had this installed like our friends on the West Coast, contact us and we can take care of that for you. And if you haven't had it installed, this will not work for you. This is relatively specific to our friends on the West Coast. First thing we're going to do is head into the configurator and then go over to your System tab and then External Programs. For this particular program, in this particular client, we're going to head down to number 200. 200 is the 5 p.m. report email. And if we look here at the detail area, we can see it's a console interface. The only thing that we're really concerned about is this line down here. This is a command line. We've added a new option to the command line for this program. So Cody, this is where you change the email address that this is associated with. This is the output email address. Okay, so when the program runs this external program link every day at 5 p.m., it's going to run this and it's going to send it to whatever this email is right here. Now, if you wanted to do more than one email, simply put a comma and then type in the next email and you would be good to go. And that's going to do it. That's all there is to it. Again, it's in external programs, number 200, and then the command line reference. All you have to do is change the email that's currently set up to a new one. If there's any other questions, please get in touch. And if you are watching this video and want your reports emailed to you at the end of the day, please contact us at poslifeline.com, Jason at poslifeline.com. Thanks.